So this is the moment we've all been waiting for, right? Open the time capsule, basically. It says "Rip here."
Whoa, if that's what it says.
Threadripper. That's cool.
Be just careful.
It's cool. I wish I could. I could probably do something with that. Oh, that's. Oh, you know what would be a cool idea? If you use the Fantex case, you could like mount that in the little window.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Ooh, look at the orange. I don't know. I feel like. Do you think maybe I should have went with the orange liquid?
No.
I sort of think maybe I should have.
No.
I don't know.
It's gonna drop out.
No,
You need
it's
to
not.
turn it the other thing first.
It's not.
Okay. Did a very nice job.
Yeah. You know what I there
There's
it
your
is.
tool.
There's the torque tool. Right?
Yeah.
You know what I realized? We probably should have put the Rode mic or something on this.
Probably.
Because it's not going to really pick it up very well.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You could have put the Rode mic easily.
Oh,
I bought the
my
thing.
God.
I bought the connector to
I'm a
connect the
huge
light.
fan of stickers and case stuff. Oh my God, that's the coolest thing. Now, how do we...
Just be careful because it falls. I know.
Yeah, we know.
Change
Change. Let's do it like this. Wow. I'm holding it. That's something.
Yeah. Now, does the book tell you how to get it out of there? Probably.
It's this metal bracket that's holding it on. I think I just...
I don't think so. Oh,
Yeah.
Maybe.
And then,
Probably you push that in and it falls right out if you turn it upside down. See, it's the bracket. That's why I said.
So you pinch. They have like two. See those slits?
Yeah. You're supposed to pinch them together.
Pinch them together.
Okay.
They really should tell you that. I don't know why they don't.
It's one hefty CPU.
Jesus. Okay.
See, it's number 321 when it says open. See, open 321, and the numbers are 321. You see them or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got our torque screw. So
fit it in.
yeah, they're pretty loose already. Maybe.
I don't think they come out. Don't.
I don't want them to. That's the thing.
Yeah, don't.
Unloosen them too much. They're pretty loose already.
Yeah, the number
Maybe
one is where it pops up.
Oh yeah. Hold on, let me tighten this.
What do you?
They loosened these already for some reason. They were already pretty loose. I don't want them to come out. I don't want them to come out.
Ryan, here we go, changing procedure.
Or maybe I need to.
Well, that one obviously has to come out.
No,
Okay.
yeah, they don't come all the way out.
Take your torque screw off it, man. See, yeah, they're too.
Okay, it stops.
I would tighten those other ones.
Stops.
No?
No, they're. It's on a separate spring,
Oh.
so I don't need this anymore.
Now, what's the next step? Squeeze the blue things.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you press them down or do you squeeze them?
He looked like he pulled them up.
Play the video.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you pull them up.
Very gently.
Okay.
And then we
take
slide out our
that. Now
plastic.
keep the orientation. Put that here in the orientation that it is. The CPU when we put it here should be exactly the same orientation, right?
Yeah.
Try not to touch the.
Believe me, I'm not.
Oh, it pulls out.
Ooh, that's heavy. Okay, it seems to be mounted pretty well in there. Slide it. Very carefully.
Till it clicks. Does the paper say click? Hold on.
Yeah, I heard a click.
Did you hear a click?
Yeah, I just heard a very light click.
Oh.
Very light. Okay, so that's
Now,
in
you
there.
sure it's in?
That's in there.
You sure it's
Yes, I'm positive.
in? Okay.
Now we're gonna lift up the really.
You're gonna do what's the next step?
He called it an AAP pad or something. I gotta
Okay.
lift it straight up.
Straight up.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Did that stick on there? Oh, there's things to pinch.
I don't know. Not really. It didn't feel like it. Maybe I should have.
This was to pinch.
Holy moly.
Look at this was to pinch.
Yeah, I see on
These
the
were
side,
to
just
pinch.
like the packaging. They
Is
don't.
this in the picture?
Right there.
That's fine.
Pinch.
What does it look like? Cool.
Wow.
Oh, there they are. Wow. There's the thread between them, the pathway that they talk to each other.
Yeah.
Look at those pins. Cool.
Alright, here we go. These are my blue tabs.
Press down on the blue tabs. Oh, cool.
Oh God, I hope that was right. I don't know how else you would do it, but...
You hear the click?
Yeah, that was a click and a crunch almost, but...
Well, it's a heck of a lot easier.
Yeah, that's really simple for what it is.
They did a nice job.
I'm having trouble
Is it in the slot?
getting the screw in. Oh my. Okay, so...
Okay, so I actually had to press down on the top of the Threadripper. It wasn't all the way down. That's tight. I thought this clicks, but no, this one's not tightening. Nope. Maybe this one, let's see if this one tightens. It's like one of them is tightening and the other two are not. Now this one won't tighten.
Push, maybe you have to push on the back of the CPU now. Oh God. No, do 2 first.
I don't think it's going anywhere. They're loose.
Alright, so we're going to use the thermal paste. Oh, given to us by EK. Okay, so...
Middle first, because it's
First?
going to come out fast. You got to get used to how it comes out.
Okay.
Did any come out? That's where I wanted at the edge. And you said you thought it was the middle? The middle is right here.
Oh, I thought you meant the middle of the 3.
No.
Sorry.
All right, go ahead. Make.
Because I was going to do 3, and then I was going to do 4, and then you said make an
the
X.
corners, but I don't want to come closer than this.
Yeah, I wasn't going to go outside the writing.
Go ahead.
Remember, we're putting a lot on compared to most people put like 2 of these in the center.
Yeah, well.
But I agree. I think more, coverage. So that's the 3, and then I'm going to do 2 more and 2 more.
And then an X, and then a 1 line diagonal. But
Really, rather than straight down the middle? Oh yeah, because, well...
I want to do what Steve... Steve actually made an X, but we'll see.
Yeah, I thought so.
Because you mostly want it in the middle.
Doesn't come out too fast. It's pretty good. It's pretty controlled.
Yeah, we gotta pretty much get that middle covered with stuff.
Okay.
Now, I think we're not putting enough on. We'll know when we start to spread it.
Like that?
Yeah, but make an X the other way too, diagonally, because that wasn't really that much. Maybe you should do this. I want to just glide down. I don't want to press down much, but I want to glide down and see how it spreads with the edge. I don't want to use this part. I want to use the edge.
And why are we doing this instead of letting the plate press it?
Because we'll see if it covers it. There's gonna be spaces that we can fill in. We got to put more dots here and here and here and here closer, so it covers the. But don't forget the dies are right here, so that's what we want to do. Because Paul even said he used almost the whole tube. Not Paul, whoever Steve did it almost. Do you know where I'm going? Where you're putting it?
Yes.
Show me.
Here to here and then here to here.
You go pretty close to the middle, but put a little more. Make it relatively large.
I think we're at the end of the container. Yeah, we're at the end of the container.
Oh yeah? Sure?
Yep.
Wow, they didn't give you much.
No, they did not.
I mean, I have one downstairs, but...
Might need to get it.
Yeah, but I don't want to mix it.
I can't get any more. I think it's the same.
See if you can squeeze it. That should be okay. I mean, we put a lot more than... we used the whole tube. Yeah, that's good. You need it right in the middle. Put it in the middle. There's no die there. Put it right in the middle. It'll spread out.
The dies are there.
The dies are in the middle. With a 3/16 of an inch dip between them. It'll be fine. And remember, you don't over tighten these, and you do one, then you do halfway, and then you do another halfway, and you do another halfway. Did you hear me?
Yes, I did.
When you're turning those.
It's the Waterblock from EK.
Now, which way? Look at the orientation.
I did. It's
okay.
in,
put it on.
and the
put
way
it on because we're just drying out.
The way you can
Now don't move it. Once you put it on, press it down. Line them up, the holes. See the holes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, they're lined up.
Yeah,
Yes,
they're
I
lined
got
up.
it.
Start to screw it.
Any idea?
Hold it in the middle. Maybe it, I don't. Oh, there they go. They get tighter. Go ahead, do them.
Okay, I just wanted to get a quick video of the EK Waterblock on the Threadripper CPU. I didn't take the sticker off yet because I didn't put the fittings on. We'll do that when we do that, so...